Imagine a city where AI clears traffic before a jam happens, where your electricity bill drops because your house tells the grid when you're not home, where waste bins send alerts when full, and public parks water themselves only when needed. These aren't scenes from a sci-fi movie. These are real cities, smart cities. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 smartest cities in the world and breaking down the cutting-edge technologies that make them smarter, greener, and more livable. This video is sponsored by Duverse. Duverse is a global leader in human-centric smart city solutions. Duverse helps cities, developers, and governments turn bold urban visions into reality, using cutting-edge technologies like AI, IoT, digital twins, and sustainable design to make cities more livable, efficient, and inclusive. From concept to implementation, Duverse supports smarter infrastructure, digital governance, climate resilience, and citizen-first innovation. Learn more at duverse.ae and discover how Duverse can help you build the city of the future today. Now let's explore the digital frontiers of urban life and how they're shaping the future for us all. Number 10 on our list is Toronto. Toronto isn't just Canada's largest city, it's a living lab of urban innovation. Smart Toronto leverages big data to make everyday life more efficient. At the center, Quayside, a proposed futuristic neighborhood once backed by Google's Sidewalk Labs. Toronto is one of North America's smartest cities, and not just because of its booming tech sector. It's integrating machine learning, urban data analytics, and green architecture across its neighborhoods. Smart traffic signals, AI-enabled urban sensors, and a commitment to green tech make this city shine. The city's TOCOR plan integrates smart water systems, energy grids, and even heated sidewalks to combat icy winters. Here are some of the technologies in action. AI-powered traffic systems, adaptive signal controls and congestion mapping have reduced average commute times by 15%. Smart waste collection, RFID-enabled bins notify city services when they're full, reducing unnecessary fuel usage. The Quayside experiment proposed timber skyscrapers, modular buildings, underground robots to deliver mail and manage trash, and a city-wide digital utility to manage data. So how does that impact the residents of Toronto? More efficient public services, cleaner air in urban corridors, digital tools for civic feedback. Toronto residents co-design public policies using apps like City Feedback Loop. Toronto is home to one of the world's leading AI research communities, the Vector Institute, powering its smart transformation with brain power. Number 9 on our list is San Francisco, the birthplace of Silicon Valley, is doing more than inventing the future, it's living it. San Francisco uses open data platforms, allowing residents and developers to co-create urban solutions. Public transport is equipped with real-time GPS tracking. Neighborhoods like Mission Bay use smart irrigation, connected trash bins, and energy-efficient lighting systems. Plus, it's one of the first cities experimenting with robotic delivery, AI police surveillance, and even blockchain-powered voting pilots. The smart revolution here is being coded, one startup at a time. San Francisco isn't just the home of tech, it's the living playground of it. Here are some of the technologies in action. Open Data SF, thousands of real-time datasets available for public use. Think crime maps, energy usage dashboards, and live transit data. Smart lighting systems. Streetlights dim or brighten based on foot traffic, cutting energy use by over 30%. Digital twin prototypes, mapping buildings, infrastructure, and environmental elements in real time for urban simulation. But does that have any positive impacts on the residents of San Francisco? Personalized transit apps show the safest and fastest routes based on real-time crowding and construction data. Green infrastructure and smart grid experiments in areas like Treasure Island help reduce carbon footprints. Tech-forward policy testing grounds, including drone delivery permits, robot crosswalk guides, and AI-based emergency response. Welcome to Amsterdam, where intelligence meets inclusiveness. Amsterdam is number 8 on our top 10 smart cities list. Since 2009, the Amsterdam Smart City Initiative has championed co-creation with citizens and local businesses. From smart canals that prevent flooding to self-regulating energy neighborhoods, Amsterdam is a model of sustainability and participation. Smart traffic systems optimize cycling, and in this city, bikes rule the roads. Their IoT, or Internet of Things, network allows everything from lampposts to park benches to talk to each other, and to city managers. This isn't top-down governance, it's grassroots intelligence at its best. Amsterdam's smart city strategy is citizen-first, co-creative, and ultra-green. They've created a digital backbone that lets tech, people, and policy talk to each other. Here are some of the technologies in action. Smart canals equipped with water-level sensors and automated locks to prevent flooding and manage water flow. IoT smart parking sensors detect empty spaces and guide drivers via mobile apps, reducing traffic-related emissions by 20%. Energy-neutral homes. Retrofitted buildings that produce more energy than they consume using solar panels and AI thermostats. MobiPark, a peer-to-peer parking app that utilizes unused private spots. Let's explore how these technologies impact the residents of Amsterdam: fewer floods, less congestion, and lower energy bills. Cyclists benefit from AI-enabled traffic signals that give priority based on flow volume. Local startups and residents can plug into the city's open data network to innovate solutions. Ranked consistently at the top of global smart city indexes, Singapore has really mastered urban planning, digital governance, and automation. Singapore is number 7 on our Today's Smart Cities list. Its virtual Singapore three-dimensional model allows real-time simulation of the entire city, from pedestrian flows to environmental impacts. Autonomous taxis roam its roads. AI monitors its public health system, predicting disease outbreaks before they happen. And the cherry on top? Its Smart Nation sensor platform connects everything from water usage to street lighting, optimizing the city in real time. In Singapore, every building, car, and lamppost is a potential sensor feeding into a citywide nervous system. It's honestly one of the most technologically cohesive cities on Earth. Technologies in Action Smart Nation sensor platform connects traffic cameras, weather sensors, mobility data, and urban planning metrics in real time. Virtual Singapore is a three-dimensional digital twin of the city that helps plan urban growth, emergency responses, and environmental strategies. Contactless public transport is integrated with facial recognition and fare capping algorithms. Hawker Food Robot Analytics are AI systems that track public food safety, cleanliness, and crowd behavior. So how does that impact the residents of Singapore? Cleaner streets, less wait time in traffic, and an ultra-efficient energy grid. An aging population supported by telehealth programs and remote elder care powered by smart devices. Real-time feedback tools give citizens direct access to city agencies. Number 6 on our list is Seoul. In Seoul, citizens don't just live in a smart city, they help shape it. With over 95% of residents connected to high-speed internet, the city has pioneered digital inclusion. The Voting app lets citizens vote on local policy decisions. Smart parks and vertical forests cool the city using real-time temperature and pollution data. Seoul's AI public transport system adjusts bus schedules dynamically based on demand patterns. They've built entire 5G-powered smart districts like the Magok Smart City using AI, IoT, and green tech, all connected to one urban operating system. Seoul is a hyper-digital democracy using 5G, AI, and mobile apps to make life smoother for its 9 million-plus residents. Technologies in Action smart poles are light posts with Wi-Fi, EV charging, CCTV, and fine dust monitors. AI traffic management provides real-time analysis of traffic, crowd movement, and weather for dynamic lane adjustments. Digital civic services through the eSeoul app allow paying taxes, voting, reporting hazards, or requesting maintenance in seconds. The smart waste system uses trash bins with RFID tags to track user waste output and promote recycling with incentives. So how does that impact the residents of Seoul? Reduced air pollution and noise in busy districts. 24/7 connected public safety and emergency response. Seoul's digital mayor platform allows citizens to propose and vote on initiatives weekly. If cities are complex systems, New York is the ultimate challenge, and it's definitely rising to it. New York is number 5 on our top smart cities list. Through NYC Open Data, the city has released over 3,000 data sets, empowering developers and researchers to create better solutions. AI crime prediction tools help NYPD allocate resources more efficiently. The subway is being modernized with real-time alerts, smart elevators, and AI-based crowd control. But what really stands out? The Midtown in Motion program, which reduces congestion using sensors and adaptive traffic signals. In NYC, big problems are met with bigger data. New York has gone full smart, in one of the most complex urban ecosystems on Earth. Technologies in action link NYC kiosks are replacing phone booths with free high-speed Wi-Fi, city updates, and device charging. Midtown in Motion uses smart traffic lights that adjust every 45 seconds based on congestion sensors. Building energy benchmarking mandates performance tracking of large buildings, optimized using AI. Plow.IC provides real-time tracking of snowplows during storms, improving winter response dramatically. So how does that impact the residents of New York? Safer, more walkable streets with less smog and idle traffic. Public housing units retrofitted with smart thermostats and leak detection. Tenants get instant notifications for maintenance, safety alerts, and more. Number 4 on our top smart cities list is Dubai. In Dubai, what was once sand dunes is now, honestly, a living digital ecosystem. With its Dubai Smart City strategy, the government aims to be 100% paperless and AI-powered. Blockchain is used for land registries, visas, and business licenses. RoboCop-like AI police assistants patrol tourist zones, and smart homes are connected to citywide IoT networks. Perhaps most jaw-dropping is the Dubai Digital Twin, a mirror-image virtual model of the entire city, used for planning, disaster management, and even drone navigation. Dubai isn't reacting to the future, it's scripting it. Technologies in action include the Dubai blockchain strategy, which reduces administrative paperwork and is used for visas, medical records, and contracts. There are AI police stations that are 100% automated, allowing people to file reports or access legal advice without human staff. The Dubai Now app acts as a central platform for over 130 services, from paying traffic fines to, booking vaccine appointments. Robotic cleaners and drones are used in metro stations, airports, and parks. The impact on residents is significant. Zero paper bureaucracy saves over 1 billion sheets of paper annually, and there's a 40% drop in average wait times at government departments. AI ensures faster, more personalized services across sectors like healthcare, law enforcement, and licensing. Tokyo, where cutting-edge tech meets ancient culture. Tokyo is number 3 on our top smart cities list. Japan's capital leads in robotics, automation, and disaster resilience. Smart buildings adjust lighting and ventilation based on human presence and weather. Trains run with millisecond precision, thanks to real-time AI traffic control systems. It's one of the most earthquake-resilient cities on Earth, using seismic sensors, structural AI analysis, and automated public alerts. Even public toilets are smart, with self-cleaning features, occupancy sensors, and privacy glass. Tokyo redefines what it means to be smart, with precision, dignity, and heart. Tokyo's smartness isn't just about flash, it's about precision, safety, and resilience. Technologies in action: AI earthquake response. Predictive simulations and early warning systems give citizens crucial seconds to act. Robotic assistance. From hospitals to train stations, robots assist in daily functions, wayfinding, and care for the elderly. Smart buildings equipped with motion sensors, ambient lighting, and AI HVAC systems to cut energy use by up to 40%. Facial recognition, metro gates, reduce crowding and speed up boarding during rush hour. Impact on residents. One of the lowest disaster-related fatality rates despite being earthquake-prone. Seniors empowered through smart elder care platforms and in-home sensors. Highly reliable infrastructure reduces power outages, transit delays, and emergency risk. At number 2 on our list, Shanghai. Shanghai is proof that scale doesn't stop innovation, it accelerates it. Through the Smart Shanghai initiative, the city uses facial recognition, real-time pollution tracking, and AI urban planning to manage 26 million residents. The city's brain, an AI super platform, oversees transport, waste, energy, and emergency response. Smart neighborhoods like Lingang test autonomous shuttles, delivery drones, and AI waste sorting robots. With massive 5G infrastructure, smart grids, and AI-powered surveillance, Shanghai is a hyper-connected city that's learning, evolving, and adapting every second. Shanghai's transformation into a super-connected metropolis is powered by AI, edge computing, and 5G technologies in Action City Brain, aggregates traffic, weather, health, pollution, and emergency data for decision-making. FacePay Metro Gates, fully biometric subway fare system. Smart waste sorting AI cameras and apps guide citizens in real time on recycling categories. AI judges and e-courts resolve minor legal issues through automated platforms. So, how does that impact the residents of Shanghai? Carbon emissions lowered through adaptive lighting, optimized traffic, and building management. AI reduces 30% of administrative costs in governance. Increased civic engagement via WeChat integrated city services. And at number 1, the trailblazer Barcelona. Barcelona isn't just smart, it's the blueprint for other smart cities. The city pioneered the use of IoT in public services. Smart water irrigation, sensor-fitted waste bins, urban greenery sensors, all feeding data into an open-source urban platform. Its Decidim platform allows direct democracy citizens co-design policies, budgets, and development projects. And what makes Barcelona different? Its model is open, replicable, and citizen-first. In Barcelona, smart doesn't mean flashy, it means transparent, participatory, and deeply human. Barcelona is where citizens and sensors share the same language. Here are some of the technologies in action. Smart streetlights. Adjust brightness based on pedestrian movement and ambient light. Digital bus stops. Offer real-time arrival data, free Wi-Fi, and event updates. City OS platform. Integrates data across transport, energy, water, and housing. Decidim platform direct digital democracy system that allows citizens to propose and vote on city initiatives. So, how does that impact the residents of Barcelona? 33% drop in energy use in retrofitted neighborhoods. Public trust increased due to transparent, accountable data governance. Stronger community collaboration, especially in low-income districts where technology bridges gaps in service. So, what makes a city smart? It's not just about AI or data, it's about people, planning, purpose. From Barcelona to Tokyo, these cities are redefining what it means to be urban. It's not just about smart gadgets, it's about smart values, sustainability, inclusion, efficiency, humanity. These 10 cities are not perfect, but they're showing us how technology, when guided by vision and ethics, can shape better futures. Which city inspired you the most? Which smart city would you want to live in? Drop your answer in the comments below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more journeys into the future. Because the smartest cities are the ones that never stop learning. If you're a city leader, a visionary mayor, an urban planner, or simply someone passionate about building better cities for people, this is your moment. At Duverse, we believe smart cities aren't just about technology. They're about human potential. We partner with municipalities, developers, and governments to co-create smarter, more livable urban environments. From AI-powered infrastructure and digital governance platforms to green energy systems, smart mobility, and inclusive public spaces. Whether you're planning your city's first smart district or transforming entire urban ecosystems, Duverse can help you strategize and implement future-ready technologies. Apply human-centered design that boosts happiness and well-being. Build resilient, sustainable systems that work for all residents. Let's build something extraordinary. Together, reach out to Duverse today to explore tailored smart city solutions, co-design sessions, or a pilot project in your community. Visit duverse.ae or email us at build@duverse.ae, and let's start designing the future of your city with your people at the heart of it.